start by left-clicking the object tool, clicking out, and we're going to bring a ball in. The ball's located here. And then we're going to bring in 2 rovers. So if you hold Alt and click on the rover, it'll duplicate it. I'll put 1 here. And then we can move 1 here. If you right-click and hold Rotate, you can then rotate the Kodu around, okay? So, again, this is going to take the programming of 1, 2, 3 objects. So the first thing we're going to do on the Kodu is we're going to hover over, and you're going to use, see how the color appears at the top? Hover over and click the right arrows. You're going to make 1 red, and hover over, and make 1, let's say, blue. So we have blue Kodu and a red Kodu. So now what we're going to do is the game, how we're going to play is going to be keep away. So the more time they touch the ball, the more points they get, the highest points win. So I'm going to right click on the ball and hit program. So the first thing, you want our ball to actually move. So I'm going to do when bumped, do actions, launch, and you can set like attributes, so launch it weakly. You can do strong if you want. Second, when bumped, again, with the color red, then do, and you're going to go to game, add some score, and we'll add score, a red score, because it's being bumped by the red color, and we're just going to add by 1 point. So if we go to points plus 1, okay. Then you're going to do the same thing with blue. So this exact thing up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the row, paste the row, and I'm just going to change this right here, colors to blue. That saves us some time. Good. So we also need to set the win and lose. Remember how we had to do for the apples, the win and lose? So when the score, and we're going to do the red score first. When the red score, that's going to be your player, red score, compare, equals, points, and we're going to do 50. Then do game win. And so again, I'm going to duplicate this to save time. So I'm going to right click, copy row, right click, paste row, and we're just going to change red to blue. When it equals these points, we need to change that to lose, to end. So we've said if our points get to 50, win. If their points get to 50, which is the blue team, lose, okay? That's all for the ball, easy. Next, you need to program your Kodu to be able to just move easily. So right click, program, when I press the keyboard, and I'm going to do specifically the arrows, then move quickly. That's it. And I'm also going to do when keyboard, and I'm going to do miscellaneous buttons, space. When the space key is pressed, then do action, and there should be jump somewhere. So a way to get around this is you can go to actions. Oh wait, there it is. When space, do, actions, jump. There it is. So it's in actions and jump. So he's going to jump. And you don't have to put that in, but it'd be cool if they could jump. That's all you have to do for your rover. Third thing, program the computer rover. Remember, the computer rover needs to be programmed to move around and touch the ball. So I'm going to do when he sees, and what does he want to see? Objects. And you need to find the ball in here. So it's under more, not there, more. When he sees a ball, what should you do? You should move towards it. Move towards, and let's put in quickly. And you can change how quick he's going by putting another quickly if you wanted to. So that's going to be depending on how hard it is. And then secondly, we're going to do the not statement. So you can just, again, duplicate this all, right click, copy, right click, paste. So we're just going to add not in here. So not. So when he's not seeing the ball, remember that weird English? he should be moving towards it quickly as well. So when he sees the ball, he should be moving towards it. When he doesn't see it, he should be moving forward quickly anyway. That's all. So now if I press escape and test my game, we have, you can see my points going up. And then some of us will win the game. However, I need to fix it. So that didn't quite work. What I need to do is I need to change this up here. So if you notice, I go back, I accidentally put the red score up in the blue. So just click on that, and then click blue. Now we'll test it again. We each have our own scores. We're battling for seeing who can win the game. Highest score wins. Okay.